smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
The day begins. Early morning again. I think it's to be a bright day today, but not necessarily too hot. Taking us through the town again, out past the church. We're clearly in stork country. 2 nests, 2 storks. Nope, as we go around the church there's a 3rd one. You hope they get on. There you go. A 4th corner, a 4th nest. They've really got to get on well. A little bit of a road walk this morning for the first 2 villages before hopefully they take us offline. It's a misty morning. Heat will burn that off. Into the next village, heading towards their church. And this particular bar has a plastic stork. You're not real, mate. Come out of the little village with its church, and out the back of the village is another church. This one's quite beautiful. I think this is the beginning of the Meseta, but we're early season, so maybe this little stretch, all the wheat is still green. We have the sun burning off the misty cloud. Going up a bit. Well, almost the highest point today, and it's just a plain that goes on forever with all the wheat fields, which are immature at the moment, so green rather than yellow. And then after an endless across the top, we drop down into a village. And you can see the path laid out in front of you. If you made it this far, not sure why you throw your boots into a tree. Now we come through that gap over there. Not really seen this before, but overhanging bits to the building. They look very old. This is the bar. Even on the path, you get vehicles. Just more trudging along. A slow 5k up And then they give you this little kicker at the end, and then we should be on a plateau for a while. Woo. And there's no wind, and it's quite hot.
Buen camino.
Oh, every cyclist has music. On to the next plateau, with wheat as far as the eye can see. Good morning. Day 13. And this is definitely a day when you're on the Meseta. We're in season where all this corn now, all this wheat, it's very young, it's green. We're not in the season when it's yellow or beige. So we're just walking through a flat landscape with green fields. So challenging to come up with something to show, but we'll see. Let's see where the day takes us. To help pilgrims and to get us through the monotony of this section, every now and again they give you a cross. So on this little dip between two plateaus, there is an albergue in the middle of nowhere. But we're pushing on. We have all these mounds of stones taken out of the fields. They're all becalmed today. It's slightly different underfoot. This section's been torn up by farm vehicles. So it makes a change, so that's all good. Three peregrinos resting by the sign. You travel all the way across the plain at the top, and then you suddenly drop down a few meters, and there's a little village. And the path takes us off onto a grassy path down to the village. Lovely. Sign saying you can get some water. Saint Bridget of Sweden. Here we are, coming into town. Hello. Hello. You're a good girl. Eh? So this looks like we might have a path like this for most of the way in. That'd be lovely. Beautiful. And round top pines. Look at these wildflowers. They may be gone in a few weeks. Just loads. These are almost like walls underneath that tower. And our walk takes us down that valley, way down there. It's a massacre. Oh, catching up. Be afraid. Be very afraid. I'm going to size it in. Feed me. We're coming into the ruins of a convent, St. Anton, that was founded in 1146, and these buildings are from the 14th and 15th century. It was an order that treated people with leprosy caused by some fungus from crops that people were growing. The road now goes straight through the ruins. There's our target town, but not the thing on the hill. Look at that poppy field. A tree-lined entrance to the town. And as if by magic, here is our albergue. This is it. This is the albergue and their own internal courtyard. All the other bedrooms. And that's us. So you get 6 to a room. Everybody gets their box with the key to match that number, to match your bed number.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.